Look what I can do! Would anybody like a cat? Anybody? Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Please. Feel free.
Some.
Hee. This is my box now. You snooze, you lose. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. It smells good, and even my butt cheeks fit perfectly in here.
The home for them.
Pretending to hurt my cat.
Oh, baby, are you okay? Oh, baby, are you okay? Oh, you'll be okay. You're fine.
This is how special the cat is.
You're my friend now.
Nope. Come on. Okay, go back in. I know. Hold on, Poppy. Go back. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. I'll make it a little bit bigger. All right, Poppy, come here. Come here, Poppy. Come on. Come on.
Come on, baby. Yay! Oh, Poppy. Oh my gosh.
Now she won't fall off again.
Boy. You can't even. What are you hitting him with? You have no other arm.
No! What are you doing? Beans! What are you doing? Oh my god! You can't do this! Beans! Idiot! I'll let you in now, God!
No.